So do you want to know how to create a subscribe animation like this one? Stick around, I'll show you how. So first thing what you want to do is you got to go to titles. Here we go. And then you want to look for a lower third subscribe logo. So kind of like a lower third. So which one is the one we're going to grab? That's going to be up to you which one you want to grab, but we want to go to lower thirds. Oh, here, this is what I love about the filmora. They have them all like this, and then you kind of just look for one, just like this. So I think this one here might be the best one. I still have to download it, so I'll be right back once it's downloaded. Okay, we're back. So this is maybe the one that I would like. Kind of have big letters subscribe to there. So yeah, and you can do a bunch of stuff with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this one in the timeline, just like so. Find a good spot again, just like usual, so you can see both the text because we do not want the top text. So your titles I need, but your text I don't. So this one we can go boom, done. This one on the other hand we kind of want, so this is the one where we're just gonna type in subscribe. And of course we're gonna put it in a little bit bigger font, so because this one is really small, like so. It should be pretty good. Well, I can go one more bigger, I believe. So instead of 72 we go to 80, like so. That seems pretty good. Kind of match it up, which this one is really giving me the hard time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna match this thing up with that, like so. This looks a little better. There we go. Now we kind of look for a font that we like, kind of like this one. I like this one, but then we kind of do want to change the color if that is possible on this one to, of course, our lovely red. Well, that red does not look good. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go to regular. There we go. Now we should have a more options. And we're just going to go red, red. Okay. There we go. Subscribe. And then what you want to do is go to animation because, well, who wants to see those texts pop up that way? We kind of want to take it differently. So there's a bunch of you can do. So you can do pixelate, for example. Just like that. Looks pretty cool, I think. You can do also evaporate. That one's kind of boring, I think, though. But and there's like a bunch of stuff you can choose from here. But we're just gonna go with maybe the wavy style. Nah, wavy style is kind of, it pops over too much. So how about a random? Actually, the random one looks pretty good. So we're gonna just go with random text style, just like so. Can we change the color of this background? I don't know. Maybe we can. Maybe we can't. We'll see. So yeah, we can. That is so nice. So we can go to something like this maybe. Yeah, blue looks pretty good actually. I like blue. So yeah, contrast will not do much. Saturation won't do much because it's just one color, so they can't do much. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna leave the blue like this and subscribe like that. And then what you have is, oops, sorry, this. Okay. But of course, it's boring without any animate sound effects. I mean, you know, like you want to have a little bit of a sound effect, kind of. So what you do is you go to audio and sound effects, which mine is already in. The text is a little bit too long, so what we're going to do is we're going to change the duration to from 5 seconds to maybe 2.5. 2 point. So these are milliseconds. Remember that. So they're yeah, fractions or whatever. I don't know. Okay, so minimum is 3.5 seconds or so. I like that much better. We crop this one like so, and we check it again. There we go. And now what you can always do, if you don't want the sound, you can always remove the sound in your video. But anyways, we're just going to render this for now. So yeah, anyways, once it's exported, I'll show you guys how to put this on your videos. Okay, so now we're back. So this is the file that we want to use for the videos. So I like it. So what we're going to do is now we're just going to delete these two. We do not want these. And then we're just going to grab the clip that I recorded in the beginning. So do you want to know how to create a subscribe animation like this? So right there, we want it. And then we put this one above it. Like so. Okay, so and now what we want to do is green screen affect it. So that's this button here. This is green screen here. See, it says green screen. And then we want to grab the color picker. And all we do is this. We click on there. And boom. There we go. Stick around. I'll show you how. And there you go. That is how you create the subscribe icons and all that. We want to boost my voice up a little bit there. I want to know how to create a subscribe animation like this. Stick around. I'll show you how. So it's super easy like that. Just like that, you know, like maybe a little bit further. Like so. Create a subscribe animation like this one. Stick around. I'll show you how. I think the volume of this one is a little bit loud, just a little, because I kind of want it subtle. So we go to -20 and we check again. Like this one. Stick around. I'll show you how. So yeah, that's how easy it is. That is literally all you have to do. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, then leave the thumbs up. And if you didn't, leave the thumbs down. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.